KineMaster versus Alight Motion, which editing app wins? Choosing the right video editing app can completely change how you create stunning content without struggling with complicated tools. Both KineMaster and Alight Motion offer unique features for creators. KineMaster and Alight Motion are popular mobile editing apps, but they focus on different strengths. KineMaster emphasizes multi-layer video editing with intuitive controls, while Alight Motion excels in motion graphics and animation. Understanding their core difference helps pick the best fit. KineMaster is a full-featured video editing app designed for mobile devices, offering multi-layer video, images, stickers, and text editing. It works by providing a timeline interface where users can trim clips, add transitions, and apply effects with precision. Its strengths include support for 4K video, real-time previews, and a wide range of built-in assets. KineMaster also supports voiceovers and audio editing, making it a versatile choice for content creators. However, some advanced features require a subscription, and the free version adds a watermark. Ideal users are vloggers, social media creators, and anyone needing a straightforward yet powerful video editor on their phone or tablet. Alight Motion is a mobile app focused on motion graphics, animation, and visual effects. It allows users to create vector and bitmap animations, keyframe animation, and complex visual compositions. The app works through layers and keyframes, offering detailed control over motion and effects. Strengths include support for multiple animation formats, color correction tools, and blending modes. It is particularly strong for users who want to create animated content or add dynamic visual elements to videos. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and fewer traditional video editing tools compared to KineMaster. The free version also includes watermarks and limited export options. Alight Motion suits animators, graphic designers, and creators looking to add professional motion effects on mobile devices. Comparing KineMaster and Alight Motion reveals clear trade-offs. For straightforward video editing with multi-layer support, quick trimming, and audio features, KineMaster is more user-friendly and efficient. It fits creators producing vlogs, tutorials, or social media clips. In contrast, Alight Motion shines when advanced motion graphics, keyframe animations, and visual effects are the priority. It caters to users focused on animation and graphic design within video projects. While KineMaster offers better traditional video editing tools, Alight Motion provides deeper animation capabilities but requires more time to master. Both apps have subscription models for full features, but their free versions are useful for basic tasks with watermarks. The choice depends on whether your focus is editing video content or crafting animated visuals. Choose KineMaster if you want a versatile, easy-to-use video editor with strong multi-layer and audio editing features for fast, polished video production. Opt for Alight Motion if your priority is professional motion graphics and animation on mobile, and you're willing to invest time learning detailed controls. Both apps excel in their fields, so pick based on whether video editing or animation drives your creative projects.